In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add job on Facebook profile. First of all, I open Facebook on my MacBook, PC, laptop, or same method. Just follow my instruction. Now, click on this profile menu. Again, click your name. Scroll down. Then click Edit Profile. Then you can see here all the about section I add each by each. So you click on this work, then again click work experience, then here are type your company. So it's called like for example I type it's Apple. Then your position, for example marketing manager or product marketing manager you can add. So if you want to add a starting date, it's called like today, August 23. This is possible. Year is from 2016 and month is August, and day is I keep it 15. Then city, town, it's for a optional option, and clip it save. Wow, you can see it's already add on my profile. So here's the main things, share on feed now. If you want to click share, this news will be show every friends on your friend list, but I'm not interested to share this post. Okay, you can see Apple, this is the company name and product marketing manager August 15 to 2026 to present, and this will be continue without when you turn off it will be closed. That's it. It's easy method. You can set up your own way, your own company and everything. Thanks for watching. See you again.